students. In this video lesson, we will be understanding electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrons. Electrons are the negatively charged particles of an atom. Electricity flows through a conductor. There are two main types of electricity. Static electricity, which is because of stationary charge, like the balloon is sticking to air. Number 2. Current electricity, which is because of the flowing of charge, like the battery powering a bulb. The key concept to learn includes electron, which are the negatively charged particles, and they move from negative to positive terminals. Voltage. Voltage pushes the electrons like the water pressures in a pipe. Current. Current is the flow rate of electrons. Resistance. Resistance opposes the electron flow. Conductors. Materials that allow electrical charges, the electrons, to flow easily are called as conductors. Some examples are copper, gold, steel, aluminum, and silver. Insulators. The materials that block the flow of electric current are called as insulators. Some examples are rubber, plastic, glass, ceramics, and dry wood. To study electricity, we need to understand how an electric circuit works. To make an electric circuit, you will require power source, conductor, load, and a switch. How an electric circuit works. A simple electrical circuit provides a closed loop path for electricity to flow, enabling components like light bulbs to function. It typically consists of a power source like a battery, conducting wires, and a device that uses electricity like a light bulb. The power source pushes the electrons through the wires, creating a current that powers the device. If the loop is broken, example, by opening a switch, the flow of electricity stops. How do we measure electricity? To measure voltage, we use voltmeter. Voltage is the electrical pressure. To measure current, we use ammeter. Current is the flow rate of electrons. To measure resistance, we use ohm meter. Resistance is the opposition of electric flow. Series versus parallel circuits. In a series circuit, there is a single path for the current to flow. In parallel circuit, there are multiple paths. In a series circuit, if one bulb burns out, all will stop working. In the parallel circuits, bulbs work independently. Series circuits are usually used in Christmas lights. Parallel circuits are used in home wirings. Let's understand how electricity is generated. Electricity can be generated through renewable sources and non-renewable sources. Renewable sources include the solar panels and the wind turbines. Non-renewable sources include the fossil fuels and the nuclear energy. Now let's have a quick recap. What is an electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrons. Conductors. What are conductors? Conductors are the materials that allows electrical charges to flow. Insulators. Insulators are the materials that do not allow electrical charges to flow through them. Electrical circuits. What are electrical circuits? Electrical circuits provide a closed path for electricity to flow, which enables the components like light bulbs to function. Electrical circuits can be series or parallel.